Hello and welcome to another video from the Costa Car Trader. In this video I'm going to show you how dangerous it is to actually leave hand sanitizer in your car. So this is a hand sanitizer I picked up from the local supermarket. It's quite high alcohol based and it's a lot watery than the gels are. But this is the worst one, and this one it's so easy to catch fire, and I'm going to give you a little demonstration right now. So here we go, a bit of alcohol. And watch now, a little bit of flame, and look at that. You know, if this gets really hot in your car, if you live in a hot country like Spain or America or other places, you know, you put this in your glove compartment, your little side box in the door, it gets hot, it catches fire. It is really dangerous to leave this in there. You know, there's also gels which are available. Now gels don't burn so easy. It's harder to burn than the more liquidy, higher concentrated alcohol one, but it still catches fire. And so it's not recommended either, but let me show you the gel now. It doesn't look like it's on fire, but it is. If you put a piece of paper above it, it will catch fire. So there we have it, folks. Don't leave your hand sanitizer in the car, whether it's a liquidy one or whether it's a gel one. It will catch fire and it could damage your car. So be vigilant and carry it with you. So if you want to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell as well so you don't miss any of our videos. I'm going to have a couple of videos above here. One is going to be the latest news and the other one is going to be the car meet at Los Montesinos. As we've been on lockdown lately, I'm sure you're missing these car events, so here's a little reminder of what's to come, hopefully. So thank you very much for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Take care.